Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Well, I'm going to be doing a shopping haul video today. What I picked up at Dollar Tree for Valentine's. These beautiful silver chargers, just love them. I found these beautiful plates also to go with them. Do they not look beautiful? Now normally I do not buy fours of things. But because I love these chargers so much and I love the shape of them, I bought 4 of them. And I bought 4 of these red and white plates to go with them. For I can do some tablescapes for 4. They were all at Dollar Tree, and believe it or not, it only cost me $1 for each one of these. So for a tablescape of 4, I have investment of $8 for the chargers and the big plates. Then I saw these beautiful dish towels that would look really pretty too in my kitchen to go with this. And I love gray, as you all know. And this is red and gray buffalo check. Is it not beautiful? Then I found this beautiful 4 dish towels in red. Couldn't find actually anything this pretty that has anything to do with Valentine's. But look how nice the reds do go. I was very, very happy with them. Hope you feel like the same. Now let's see what other things Grandma got for Valentine's. Now I didn't buy 4 of these red saucers. I only bought 2. So this would only be for a tablescape for 2, but I thought they were really pretty. And they match perfectly with the plates, as you can see. And I didn't see any bowls, but I think I have white, and I think some beautiful white bowls would look very pretty with this. So now we are up to, now I only bought 2 of these, so we're up to $10 now for the 2 plates, well, for the 4 plates, the 2 salad plates, and the 4 chargers. Think we're still doing pretty good on the budget, don't you think? Now, another thing that I purchased, and I only purchased a pair of them, so now we're up to $12 for new plates. And that's these beautiful white plates with a gold rim around each plate. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use these silver charges or some gold ones that I think I already own and have. We'll wait and see. These silver ones still don't look bad. But I already own the cups that go to these plates, and I have a pair of them. So that will be something I can already use. So we're up to $12. Still seems like a pretty good buy so far. 2 more salad plates, and this brought this up to $14 now, and I thought it looked pretty nice because I don't have any blues to join in on blue challenges. And the blues look beautiful with these silver chargers, don't you think? And I have a pair of them because usually Grandma does tablescapes for 2. I thought they look very pretty together. What do you think? Please give me a comment in the comment section. Now, as you can see, I have bought this. So this brings it up to $15 because these were 2 serving trays or bowls for $1. Now I could use those for little salad plates or bowls on top of the blue. I thought they looked pretty nice with the silver chargers. What do you think? Or maybe putting them on the table and putting nuts or candy in them. We'll think about what we want to do with them. I know it's hard to believe, but I finally have shared everything I got for Valentine's. I got this beautiful scarf because you know how much Grandma loves having a scarf around her neck. I found these beautiful glitter balls in white and red and purple. Now, most of these I'm going to use for Valentine's, the white and red. But another reason why I bought them, because of the purple, because we have Mardi Gras coming up. And I did not join in last year because I didn't have any purple accessories. And that is always an issue with Grandma. It's hard to find purple for some reason. So I don't know what I'm going to use for dishes, maybe white, I don't know, because white goes with everything. But at least I have purple accessories now. I have this beautiful purple balls, and I'll probably use some of the red and the white also. And I have these beautiful bead necklaces with all the hearts in them with red and pink. I am going to do a red tablescape, and I'm going to do a pink one. So we'll change them up, and I'll may use both or I may not, I don't know. And then I found these beautiful heart accessories that I thought would look great on the table. And because it's so hard for me to find exactly what I want, I saw these cute napkins and paper plates that were pink, and they had just the right touch for Valentine's. So I think I'm going to be using these also for a tablescape. Maybe I will do a tablescape where it's only paper. I think that might be pretty nice, because maybe even paper and plastic, I don't know. I have the pink napkins that are paper, the plates, and these are, I think, little pieces of cardboard or something, I'm not quite sure. And if we do plastic and paper, I think I could get a pretty nice tablescape, don't you? Well, we'll see. Grandma will have to think about what she wants to do. I have a lot of accessories now for Valentine's. Hope you appreciate it. Well, it may be hard to believe, but I spent $27 totally for everything that you saw on this video. Plates, accessories, and everything. I thought that turned out pretty reasonable, and I have enough to at least do probably 4 tablescapes for $27. You know how Grandma is. She is cheap, and she tries to do her best to see what she can put together. Now, keep in mind, I have a lot of Valentine's accessories already paid for at my home, and that's how I'm going to be able to afford to do all these tablescapes. Thank you so much, my awesome friends, for staying to the very end. Hugs and kisses if you did. Hope to see you again soon in the next video.